Alright guys, so this week you are going to be working in your very first digital interactive notebook, which we're going to call DINs. Alright, so we broke it up into multiple different sections because loading 15 pages took a while and got kind of confusing. So whenever you open each section up, you need to remember that you are going to erase copy, add your name there, and then change the sharing options before you even begin doing anything. That way when you turn it in, I'll know who you are and I will have access to it. Alright, we're going to be grading 5 specific pages, and I think you have 4 or 5 of these that you are going to turn in throughout the week, so make sure that you complete all the pages and you turn them all in. Make sure that you have changed that sharing option before you turn your digital interactive notebook in, because I can't grade it without it. You also have to turn in your safety contract this week and a lab safety quiz, so you have access to all of these sections of the interactive notebook on Monday, but they're not due on Friday. But don't wait and do them all Friday, because you have other stuff that's also due then as well. Alright, so to get started, you're going to click here, and it's going to prompt you to make a copy, so you're going to make a copy. And the copy takes a minute to make, even with just the 3 slides that we chose to use on the first day. Be patient and allow it to completely load before you try to do anything. So there's 3 pages. That's just one of them. We're going to wait, let them completely load. So over here in the top left-hand corner, you're going to click Copy Of. And you're going to put your name. And I am Miss Flowers. Alright, and then in the right hand corner up at the top, you're going to click that share option. Right now, it's restricted to only the people that I add can have access to it. I'm going to click change link to Swinney ISD. So it says anyone in this group with the link can view it. Permission is updated. Cool. We're done. Alright, now, once you get back here, your sharing options are all good. You're going to go in and tap name. My cursor did not show up, so I'm going to tap name again. Double tap it to get it there. Alright, my keyboard didn't come up, so I'm going to tap again until my keyboard comes up. Alright, so I am Miss Flowers. Same thing with that one. Tap it once, get the blue around it. Double tap, get your cursor. Tap where you want your cursor to go, and then tap again to get your keypad up. Alright, so now, that's how you type. If you go to the next page, so there's things that you're going to have to do on here, and something I want you guys to really pick up on is it looks like this is all you have access to, but if I drag this way, look, there's stuff over there. So these little 3 rectangular boxes here, these guys go in them, so we have to organize them right. So we have ace the test, type notes in notebook, and study the notebook. So what would be the first thing that we have to do? We have to take the notes and type the notes in, right? So in order to drag these, you have to tap them first so they have the blue. Alright, you can't drag them unless they have that blue outlining on them. And then you are going to just put your finger on them and drag them on across. Alright, and you can drop it and then move your page and it'll still stay blue. And do that. Alright, so the same thing is going to go with these faces. Alright, you're going to make a face. It can be a funny face. It can, whatever face. Those are your things that you have for that. On this page right here, just like that last page, it looked like this is all we could see. If I drag this way, I have things that I can obviously pick on and move. Alright, so you are going to drag and drop. Click, drag. Oops, I'm going to undo that because I double clicked it. Drag and drop. Alright, I'm not putting those in the right places because that's y'all's job. So, that's what you need to know. Once you are done and you have all of these, how you think they are correct and how you like them, you're going to go up to the top where it has the URL code. because that is what you are going to be turning in. So click it, select all, and then copy that. And then you are going to go back to this assignment, and you will be turning it in as a website URL. I don't have that view on mine because I'm the teacher and not the students, but you're going to paste that website URL that we just copied into that submission box, and you are done with that assignment. Alright, it's only a few slides a day, or at a time. You can do it on whatever days you want to, but it's due Friday. Let me know if you have any questions or you're struggling. Don't let yourself get worked up over it or mad. Just let me know if you're having problems and we'll work it out. But hopefully this helps you guys a little bit as you're going through this week's work.